this is Miss Stephanie, and today we are going to make a really delicious snack, and it's called peanut butter balls, and it has 6 ingredients. This can also be substituted for almond butter or sunflower butter, but today the tutorial I'm showing you is for using peanut butter. So first, boys and girls, if we haven't washed our hands, let's go to the sink and wash our hands. And if you watch my story time, you can sing along to the song that we did in story time, okay? All right, so after you get done washing your hands, I'm going to tell you what ingredients you'll need. So there's 6 ingredients, so you'll need peanut butter, you'll need chocolate chips, you'll need shredded coconut, vanilla, honey, and some Quaker oats. They can be old-fashioned or the 1-minute oats. Either one is up to you. So the first thing we're going to do is take a spoon and measure 1/2 cup of peanut butter right in here. And then you're going to put that in the bowl. It might be a little tough to do because peanut butter is real sticky. So this is a great family craft. And get as much peanut butter into the bowl as you can. Okay? You're going to take that 1/2 cup and take your honey. And you're not going to fill the 1/2 cup. You're only going to fill about halfway. So about 1/4 to 1/3 cup of honey. Okay? Get that out of the way. And you're going to pour that in the bowl. And try to get as much honey and peanut butter out of there as you can. Okay. The next thing you'll do is get your vanilla. And you're putting 1 teaspoon of vanilla in there. So measure it out. It comes out fast, so do it real slow. Okay. And then you're going to mix those 3 together. Mix it real nice and smooth, slow. Okay. And you want to mix it till everything is formed. So it should look something like this. Okay. After that, you're going to put 1 cup of oats. And now this is the fun part. Take your shredded coconut and pour as much as you want in there. And last but not least, chocolate chips. You can also substitute these for M&Ms if you'd like. And pour as much or as little as you want. Okay, you're going to mix it all together. You might need a hand from mom or dad. That's okay though, because this is a nice thing to do with your family. So you're going to make sure you mix it all together. Scrape the sides and the bottoms. Okay. And you can take turns mixing with other people in your family. Okay. So it should look something like this once it's all mixed. Okay. And now you're going to take some tin foil. Whoop. Rip off a piece. You're going to cover your bowl and put it in the refrigerator for 1 hour. Okay. Does anybody know how long 1 hour is? 60 minutes, that's right. So you're going to put this in the refrigerator for 60 minutes. And then after, you're going to take it out and you're going to put a little bit in your hand and form some balls with it. And then the best part of all, you get to eat it.